Welcome back. Now, another site that you can use in order to draw attention to your brand and your content is called Substack. Now, the purpose of Substack is for you to create a paid newsletter. However, you can get started using Substack as you build your readership. So what we're going to do here is we're going to click Start Writing. Now, if you already have your Twitter account open in your browser, you can use your Twitter account in order to connect with Substack. And that's what we're going to do in this case. We're going to connect with Twitter. You will then need to authorize this application to work with Twitter. If that's what you want to do, you will then click Authorize Application. What you'll then need to do is to complete the process of opening your account. And what you'll notice here, right at the bottom, it says that when you sign up now, publishing is free forever. Once you begin charging for subscriptions, Substack will take 10% in addition to your credit card transactions. We are now going to click Agree and Continue. Now, what Substack will do is take your information directly from Twitter. You can make changes to your profile here in this area. We're then going to click Continue. What you'll then need to do is to give your publication on Substack a specific name, and then you'll need to create your specific web URL for Substack. Once you have all your information in, you can then click Continue. Now, Substack will allow you to import a mailing list that you have with a CSV file at this point. For the sake of this video, we're going to skip this portion of the process. You can also add individual subscribers to your newsletter. However, for now, we're going to skip this process. We can then select our recommendations. We can then click Continue. We can choose to subscribe to certain newsletters. However, for now, we're going to unselect these and we're going to continue without subscribing. You can then start your Substack. You can then create your new post. You're going to give your post a title and subtitle. You can then place your content in this particular area. You can make any changes and upgrades to the text from your toolbar here in this area. And you can then preview your post. And you'll be able to see what your potential readers are going to see. Now, Substack is made primarily for monetization. However, you can use it as a tool to get attention to the brand that you are building through your blog. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.